Meaning of Hulk.
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 Hulk. The word hulk can have several meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a large, clumsy person or object, such as a ship that has been left abandoned and is deteriorating. Hulk can also be used to describe an angry or aggressive person, often with physical or intimidating characteristics. In popular culture, the Hulk is a Marvel Comics character who transforms into a giant, superhuman creature when angered. Overall, Hulk usually refers to something or someone that is large, powerful, and possibly threatening.